Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nappy Missy 101. And yes, I'm swinging around my lock because it fell out. Listen, it fell out, okay? I'm there touching my hair thinking I'm cute and it just fell out. Anyway, this video is to show you how to repair it without having to rewrap it. You could just use your lock that fell out. Alright, stay tuned guys. So as you can see, a few have fell out of my hair. So what? This one fell out as well. This one fell out as well, but I repaired it. So yeah, what you want to do is you want to get an elastic, because with these ones, remember, I didn't use elastic band method. I just wrapped my hair, so they came off really easy, you know what I mean? So I put the elastic band on, and I have this, and I have my crochet stick. We're gonna use this like a crochet faux lock. Isn't that genius though? Like, I seriously came up with that. I didn't even have to look on YouTube. Like, I was like, I am not rewrapping these things. There has to be a way I could fix it. So anyway, yeah, here we go. We're gonna use it as a crochet faux lock. Alright. on how to repair your faux locks without having to coil them around the hair. Just use the faux locks that fell out. Tell me that ain't genius, dude. Tell me it ain't genius. I don't even know if there's other YouTube channels out there that talk about it, but hey, girl, I had to put my imagination to use, alright? So, I don't even know what the back looks like, but I hope it looks alright. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming by. I hope you like my faux looks. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.